Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to tell you a little bit about, and actually I don't know if this is new or not, but the Tostitos salsa. It is a chunky salsa habanero. It's hot. Usually me and my husband will purchase Tostitos salsa, the mild one, medium or mild, but we both really like spicy and hot, and it was just us, so we purchased the habanero hot. Usually if we have guests or something, we get the medium or mild because not everybody likes spicy, where we really love spicy. So I was interested in trying this for the first time, and it's actually really good, and it's not that hot. It's not like to the point where it's going to make your mouth feel like it's on fire or anything like that. It's just right. It tastes really fresh. This one is 15.5 ounces. Put it in a little bowl so you can see the consistency of it is nice and chunky. A lot of peppers and tomatoes in there. Really, really good. So take a look at the back and the nutrition facts. And of course I had these with Tostitos tortilla chips. Nutrition facts. Servings per container about 13. Serving size 2 tablespoons. Calories only 10. 0 grams of fat. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0. Let's see the sodium. Sodium 220 milligrams. 2 grams of carbs. Really not bad overall. And then ingredients, we have tomato puree, water and tomato paste, diced tomatoes in tomato juice, jalapeno peppers, onions, and less than 2% of the following: vinegar, salt, habanero peppers, garlic powder, and natural flavor. And just have to refrigerate it after opening. Manufactured for Frito-Lay in Texas. So this one jar, put too much in here, but you definitely get a lot of use out of one jar. Great to have. We were just eating it while we were watching some football today on TV. So just have it in the room where we chill and watch TV and have snacks, and it was just really, I don't really like popcorn or anything like that, so chips and salsa is definitely my favorite snack. I especially like that compared to other brands, Tostitos is super chunky and full of goodness and doesn't have it's not watery or anything like that. It's a really great taste. I'm sure it's naturally gluten-free, although I don't see it on here. I know most products, if they're gluten-free, will list it on the jar, but I can't imagine that anything in here would disrupt a gluten allergy. In a glass jar, doesn't expire till July, and I believe, it doesn't say it on here, but I believe usually with salsa, after 2 weeks of it being open in the fridge, I think you do have to toss it, so I think it has a shelf life of 2 weeks once it's open, and I think it'll stay fresh probably past that, but I know that that's usually the standard is 2 weeks, and then it has the chance of going bad after that. So I think it's just a really great snack overall. Tostitos chips with salsa. I guess you could also have salsa with crackers. You could use this for cooking, like if you're making enchiladas or tacos and you need something to put on top of them, or if you need this for if you're making homemade nachos or something. It's always good to have salsa and guacamole, sour cream on the side. This is great for that. I like that you could actually taste the habanero pepper in the salsa, and it has a ton of flavor. It's the flavor still lingering in my mouth, and I actually had some water after it. So it has a very bold and distinct taste, and it's delicious. And technically it's vegetables because it's tomatoes and peppers that it's made with, so you don't have to feel guilty having this. And they come in, of course, Tostitos has a bunch of different flavors of salsa and queso dip and stuff. Chips, been purchasing their brand forever. It's never let me down. So it says Tostitos chunky habanero salsa. Definitely buy this for your next party or the next time you have to go somewhere and you have to bring snacks. Next time you're watching a movie or TV and you want to munch on something, definitely check out some Tostitos. Serve it with some corn tortilla chips. It's delicious. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy some Tostitos salsa. See you later.